So now let's work around with the bio section inside of Wix ADI. So I'm going to add a section by clicking on this plus icon right over here. And after the welcome section, there's bio, as you can see. So if you want to provide basic information about yourself, then you can use bio section. So over here, there's a section, as you can see. So I'm just going to click over here. And then what happens is that the bio section will be added right over here. So let's see the options in bio section. So over here, there's the title. So you can see it says get to know about me, get to know me. So I'm just going to say about myself right over here. So I'm just going to say about myself. You can also add in a subtitle right over here, which is turned on by default, as you can see. So you can say my story right over here. You can add a description right over here, change out the font, you can make it bold, you can format it, you can turn it into points, and you can see that you can link it as any other text. And you have image as option. You can see that this is not very different from the welcome right over there because the elements are the same. You can also you also have the contact me button right over here, and you can add in multiple buttons right over here and change that out as well. For example, you can say my portfolio or something, and then you can link it up to that particular page. So this is one of the layout of the bio page. So what you can do is you can go over here and then change out the section design as well. So let me just close this out. If you had to go over here and go to design section design, what happens is that you get more options. So here's a recommended layout. So you can simply click on it and that will be changed, as you can see. And you can replace this section with an image. You can also go over here and go for something like this, as you can see right over here, or something like this as well. So these are the different options for bio right over here. So this one is unique right over here, as you can see. So you can just replace it out and then it'll be changed out, as you can see right over here. All the information that you typed in stays as it is right over there, just like that. So that is how you can work with the bio section, and the options of bio section are like inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.